Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your password on Sofi. So let's get straight into the video. The first method is to change your password through Sofi's official website. So what you want to do is to log into your Sofi account on the website and then click on your profile picture or username at the top right corner, and then select settings from the drop down menu. Click on account settings or profile, and then you want to click on change password, and all you gotta do is just enter your current password and then enter your new password and confirm that by re-entering your new password again, and then just click save changes to update your password. Now the second method is to change password through Sofi's mobile app. So first thing you gotta do is to open the mobile app and log into your account, and then you want to tap on the more menu and then select settings, and then tap on account settings or profile, and then tap on change password, and then now you want to enter your current password, and then you got to enter your new password and confirm that again by re-entering your new password, and then tap save changes, and that's going to update your password. A couple of tips for you guys when changing your password. The first is, of course, to use a strong and unique password. So you don't want to create a password that's going to be easy for others to guess. You want to create one that's strong and unique so nobody will be able to guess that. The second, of course, is to avoid using easily guessable information. So don't create your password using your name or your date of birth or common words like that. So others won't be able to easily guess it. The third, of course, is to change your password regularly. So for security reasons, perhaps every month or 2 months, 3 months, you could change your password regularly, and that makes it a lot safer for your account. So anyone who has access to who knows your password, by regularly changing it, you're gonna throw that person off the loop. So that's gonna make your account a lot more secure. And of course, the last tip is to contact Sofi support if needed. So if you run into problems along the way or for whatever reason, you can always just contact Sofi's support, and they're gonna help you settle whatever that is. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps out a lot. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.